Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I basically have a huge surprise for everyone. I am going to take on another project that I do not have time for. You can see the old Land Rover here. I do have a punch list of everything that I need to order for this to get it back on the road. And so we're going to at least try to get this thing where it can move under its own power. The 4Runner still needs the body mount chop performed on it, and hopefully maybe within the next week or so I can get that finished and we can get those shocks dialed in. And I have a Land Cruiser that is just permanently on hold until I can at least clear some of this other out of the way. But I have something else. You know, every so often something that is too good to pass up kind of lays in your lap. And so what kind of vehicle would just really kind of like I have to have? You know, Erin's found a really sweet first gen Tundra. Awesome vehicle. It's kind of got that thing dialed in now. There's Sequoias, different things, but man, you know, it's probably going to be in the Toyota family, but I can't make any promises. So just stick with me. Soon enough, we'll unveil this. I actually ended up, this is a 2-for-1 deal, so can't go wrong with a 2-for-1 deal. So let's just see what we've got into here. I will gonna meet Erin, and he's kind of the one that facilitated a lot of this. So he's gonna show me where this parts truck is at, and then we will go and get the better option, bringing that one here, trying to get that thing up and running as quick as possible. But stay tuned. Drop your comments about what you think this vehicle is. See you in a second. It's a pretty wild ride. I'm super excited though, and I can't wait to show you guys what this is a good find. It really is. Alright, now we're gonna follow Erin, and he is going to take us to this house. We're going to get the parts truck, and then we're going to go and get the nicer of the two he already has at his house. God almighty. If you're wondering, it's as bumpy as you think it is. Leave the parts truck here, get the that sweet white unit over there loaded up, and be trying to work on that over the course of the next couple of days to just see if we can get that thing running. What are you hooked on?
Yeah, I don't know. It just flopped.
Now, biggest concern here is to try to get this white one loaded up and get back to civilization before I run out of gas. Notoriously, I will jump in anything and go and let the gas situation kind of work itself out. And the gas situation is basically I've got about 1/8 of a tank of gas on something that gets about 4.5 miles per gallon. So We can't let her sit here and idle too long. He went lying between the rat crap and the eggs. Oh my God. Jeez. That guy had a lot of farm hens.
Yeah. He likes birds.
I can say, I don't care whatever happens to this, but that Mr. Toyota on the back of it is never going anywhere.
Pay attention.
That's freaking awesome.
Oh,
Mr. Toyota.
Dallas.
I am barely above E. I've got about 6 miles to go. I might have a gallon and a half left in the old tank, and I've got to be really, really cautious because any of that stuff on that old rusty bucket behind me could let go at any time, and I don't want to lose it in the road. But also, I don't want it to kill me because, you know, it could come forward. We've got it tied off, though. We could go through any weigh scale anywhere and get by with it right now, so I'm not saying we just threw it up there. We did not do that, but anyway, don't come at me with your comments that we don't have it tied off correctly. I'm not a professional tower. I mean, I could be, it's just I'm not. You understand? All right, I'm gonna get off of here so I can concentrate on saving some gas. But yeah, 83 Toyota pickup, straight axle, 22R. Wow, like a kid on Christmas morning right now. Barely made it. All right, we made it back to the shop. I've still got some stuff to move around to get it in my other shop where I can work on it at my leisure and whatnot. But this was kind of a multi-way deal, and Erin had kind of worked out the particulars on it, and we're leaving that one there at his house, and we're going to try to make 2 trucks out of what we have here. And I've got a couple of older ones that we have that were salvage, and I've got a few transfer cases, so we've got the makings of a pretty good start for at least one pretty extreme rock crawler. And this truck just needs to be let's work like used but not fully restored. So there's some things that need to be kind of like worked out. But this truck, believe it or not, runs. It has brakes. There's no seats in it. It has a Delco alternator and a Delco ignition system in it, and an electric fan. The coil works off of a toggle switch, and the fan works off of a toggle switch. So what I'd really like to do is convert it back to just the original Toyota ignition system and go from there. But yeah, anyway, a running, driving, early 80s straight axle, 4-wheel drive Toyota pickup, and was able to get that and the parts truck for basically $1,000, which you probably are thinking, gosh, that's crazy. That's a lot of work. True, but I do have a lot of the other components, but what you're gonna have to have is a frame. Obviously, this is straight axle truck, and it does run, so there's that. Now, just to get it home. And I may, even while I've got it here, get it down tomorrow and pressure wash it so I'm not making a mess in my shop. And then we'll start pulling panels just to see how much rust we do have. But there's a lot of good here, and I'm excited to get a hold of this. But we've got the other one, like I said, and there's going to be some things that we're going to be doing to it. And but yeah, give me your ideas of what I should do with this. Should turn it into a very aggressive, kind of like an overland rig? Should we go into just put a camper on the back of it, do something wild? I mean, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. There's some dents, there's a little bit of rust. Try to get some of the missing pieces, and I don't want it to look as factory and stock as possible. And but like I said, I don't want it to look like it's been 100% restored. So there she is, Mr. Toyota, straight axle, 4-wheel drive Toyota pickup. And the build will be in progress soon, so stick around for that. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, and we will see you later.